After water damage affects your home or business, you may ask yourself, how long will this restoration take? Truthfully, the timeline for water damage restoration varies, depending on factors such as the severity of the damage, the size of the affected area, and the category of water involved. For what we would consider minor damage, like small leaks from appliances, restoration work would typically take from 1 to 3 days for structural drying, plus additional time for repairs and contents cleaning if needed. For moderate damage, like multiple flooded rooms in a home, restoration work would take anywhere from 3 to 7 for drying, with repairs and contents cleaning taking several more days. For what we would call severe damage, which could be, for example, extensive basement flooding, mold growth, and structural repairs needed, restoration can take weeks to months, depending on the full extent of the remediation and reconstruction needs.